golden doodle.
Golden doodle. Like Sky-chan. Kawaii. Nismo. You're so cute. Do you give me a kiss? You do kissies?
He does not do
You don't do kissies yet? You give mama yet? You don't?
Aww.
He's so good.
Do you want to give me a kiss? I can see it. It's coming. It's almost there, Kim. I'm gonna get a kissy from Nismo. Nismo, you're so cute. Andy, how's that suntan? You're the only guy in Texas with the suntan, like somebody from Hawaii. Okinawa, that's it. Andy Dandy. Alexis. Hey, Thomas. What's up? Blake, how are you?
Good.
And Nismo.
Nismo.
Nismo, you want to play with me again? Do you smell sky on me? Yes, you do, you cutie. Hi, can I speak with the lawyer, please?
Please hold.
Hi, this is Steve. Can I speak with the lawyer, please?
Let me pass you to his voicemail.
Hey, it's Steve calling back again on my case. Can I speak with the lawyer, please?
The lawyer's not available right now, but he'll get right back to you, I'm sure.
If you've ever dealt with lawyers in the past like I have, you know exactly the frustration I went through. That's not the case anymore, particularly if you decide to use Morgan & Morgan. Morgan & Morgan is a 21st century law firm. No more sitting on hold, no more waiting for callbacks. If you have been injured in an accident, in 8 clicks or less, using your cell phone, you can easily connect with Morgan & Morgan. By simply dialing pound 529, that is pound LAW, or through your cell phone or on your computer, forthepeople.com. If you've been involved in something unfortunate, you can reach out to Morgan & Morgan. Thumbs up. できたばかりのキーチェーンをアレクシスは今卒業したので、ちょっとこれはサムズアップの招き猫、これからのためにプレゼントしたいと思います。Alexis, I know you graduated or you're graduating and you're heading off to Kansas real soon. I think you need a thumbs up fortune gang keychain to keep with you for lots of luck in your freshman year in Kansas, right? Which one for your dad? You think which one for your dad? I think that one too. Your dad doesn't have that one.
Yeah.
Kim-sung! Kim-sung! Your daughter got a cat, thumbs up cat, but I think that would look perfect for you.
This is awesome.
You are a very fancy gentleman.
No,
I
yes.
see a fancy keychain for him.
High quality, elegant, and classy.
Fancy. And what about the guy with the camera? Why don't you grab that camera? Why don't I give him a present too? I see this guy, a really strong POV candidate from Mr. POV on the hat. We're going to go red, white, and blue POV here, Stevie. I want you to have a new keychain that we just got. Appreciate it. You're welcome. Thumbs up, guys. キ君なんか日本語を勉強しているらしいので日本語を聞かせてください。おはようございます。おはようございます。Okay. What else we got?
私はオースティンです。
オースティンです。
I'm blanking because I'm nervous. Now I'm on the spot.
I got him. I made a YouTuber not able to say anything anywhere. How do you like that?
That's awesome.
Your channel's gonna be
Yeah, it's right there.
All right, how about this? Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Suge.
Nice, bro. You got it. I feel like I've seen this car before. かっこいいよな、この FC は。なかなか。また FC から FD だよね。Nice ride, bro. かっこいい FD。綺麗だよね、これも。今日松田が多い。いいです。Kim, that was a nice FD.
Nice.
And I saw an FC right before that.
Yes.
こういうカマロもこれなかなかいい音するんだよね。シャバヤバじゃないんだよ。シャバだよ、シャバ。かっこいい。そしてこのピックアップトラック、これ SF454 の珍しいものです。なかなか見ないですね。程度がいいです。かっこいい。これみんな一人一人がね、自分の個人の個性があるんで、こういうのかわいいよね。Hi doggy, hi doggy. That's not a dog.
Chewbacca from Star Wars.
Kim, you know I don't watch movies. これが面白い。これエンジンは宮田のエンジンにこのロードスターっぽい多分手作りのカスタム車両だと思うんだけど、マツダのエンジンにラジエータから来るオーバーフローというかクーラントが入るのは札幌のビールの缶です。面白い。That's pretty cool. さっきの FC なのかな。FD が先赤いのがあって、これとまた違うと思うんだけど、この FC はさっき通ってた車なの。すごいいいよ、車庫端であっちゃんの車と同じ内装の色と ステッカーはかっこいいのいっぱいついてるんだよね。ウィングは違うんだけど、かっこいい。色がいいよね。これ見たっけこの車。見たことあるような気がするんだけど、この赤い FC もかっこいいよね。マフラーはごつい FD はかっこいい。マフラーはごついんで、雷のことなのかな。かっこいいよ。エンジンはロータリーパワーですね。綺麗なエンジンルームですよ。わお。そしてもう一台のこの黄色の FD ですね。いいな。黄色がいいんだよね。これはもしかしたらこの前見てエンジンはロータリーじゃなくて LS エンジンの右半だよね。この車両も見たことあるような気がします。 RHD だから右ハンドルライトハンドドライブの FD3S かっこいいよ。これ初めてかな。のボディキットもあんまり見かけないキットなのでアメリカではなかなかかっこいいです。ロータリーパワーなのかな。まだこれはなかなかじゃないですか。この車は 240SX の車高を上げて4駆なのかな。これは夜の、ドリフト祭りのイベントに行った車両です。やっぱりアメ車の古いのを見るとすごいもう目がいっちゃうんだよね。1957年のシボレーエレアですね。これはハードトップで、これはカスタマイズされた今時のコルベットのエンジンなのかな。 LS なのかな。なかなか綺麗なエンジンルームでファイアウォールもシェーブして綺麗にしてごっついラジエーターとエアコンと色もいいんだよね。これはなかなかで、中のシートは Hey Kim, this looks a little more comfortable than my Murcielago doesn't it?
Holy mother.
Yeah.
That looks amazing.
You know how uncomfortable that Lamborghini is, Kim?
I do
You
know
know how much money that car is and how uncomfortable it is to drive that thing
I
every
do
single
know
day.
how uncomfortable that car is.
Lamborghini owner problems, huh?
Yeah.
These are what we do, things we deal
You
with.
know how old this driver is that came in this car? Him and
187?
him and his girlfriend. He looked like he was about 18.
No way.
Yep.
An 18-year-old kid came in
And
in
his
the
girlfriend.
57 Chevy?
And his girlfriend.
Oh.
In a highly customized 57 Chevy.
Well, I gotta say, this is a highly customized 57 Chevy. Very, very cool. And the 18-year-old kid was driving it? That's even cooler. Thumbs up, man. この時代のシボレーのピックアップトラックがすごい人気が出て、値段が本当に昔だったらもうゴミみたいにあっちこっちに捨てられた車がもうなかなか手に入らないものです。これ程度がいいです。これは1980年代のシボレーなんだけど、これはフリートサイドというところがこのベッドがこのまっすぐであることはこれフリートサイドベッドと呼ばれてます。そしてこのロングベッドとショートベッドがあって、これはショートベッドです。この形の2人乗りのショートベッドのフリートサイドのピックアップトラックはとっても今人気で流行ってて、値段がどんどん上がっています。かっこいいよ。Kim, are you a fan of these trucks?
I am.
I'm a fan of the Chevys from the late 60s, 67, 68, C10s, all the way through here. And now, as we get older and older, and these trucks that we not really paid much attention to, is that not a damn good looking truck?
It is. My dad had 2 square bodies, and he used to sit me on his lap when I was little and let me steer when we were on driving.
Memories.
Back in the day, before
The
seatbelts were really a big deal.
Nice truck. I have a feeling these trucks are going to continue.
They will. They will.
Up and up. Nice. わあ、いい音するカマロなんだよね。かっこいいよ。そしてもっと珍しい車、最も珍しい車が出た。めったに見ない。これはジオトラッカーという車だったと思います。この車両自体がトラッカーというんだけど、これは日本車だったのかな。オープンで、俺はなんかイスズとのなんかのつながりがあったような感じもしますが、トラッカーしか書いてないからジオというブランド、どこだったっけな。ちょっと歴史をS があるから、キムさん分かったよ。これキムさんもこれ見たら分かる。 Ready? Don't look no more. I'm gonna give it away to you. Come here. Face that way. Alright, and on 3, turn around and look at what I'm gonna point at. 3, 2, 1. Now tell me who makes this.
Oh, Suzuki.
Suzuki! That's it, right there. It took a little bit of looking, but I found it. 今分かった。今のロゴで分かった。これスズキのエンジンとスズキのミッションも下がスズキ自動車のものなんだけど、アメリカのシボレーと、タイアップしてジオトラッカーというものができたこの時の当時の時代です。80 what Kim 86 87 you're gonna guess in that year
Later, like late 80s, early 90s.
Really?
And then they made it all the way up to 2001.
No way.
Yeah.
And you almost never see them, which is really cool. I'm going to say this one is maybe early 90s or very late 80s. Should we ask the owner? Let's find out.
Is it?
I don't know. I'm going to ask right now, though. Sir, can I ask you what year this vehicle is? You know offhand? Is this your vehicle?
No.
Oh, that's yours there. Very nice.
I don't know.
I bet you he won't race you for pink slips, huh?
Probably not.